Hi, my name is Michael Causey. This is ACRP's Expo TV, where we talk to speakers and exhibitors and meet new people in the industry. We're really excited about the event this year. We're excited about the guest we have with us right now, Sandy Smith, who's the Senior Vice President of Clinical Solutions and Strategic Planning at WCG. Great old friends to ACRP. Sandy, thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure, Michael.
Let's jump right in. For those one or two people in the industry who don't know who you are, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Sure. Background is as an oncology nurse, and I've worked primarily in oncology most of my career and spent the last decade or so leading a very large national research organization focusing specifically on oncology trials, including some of the newer cellular therapies.
Now, maybe focusing on some of your expertise here, but what are you and WCG seeing in the clinical trial landscape in 2021? That's a big question, but maybe in an area or two.
Sure. So as you know, WCG was really built on a very strong foundation for ethical review. However, over the years have really expanded their services to support sponsors, CROs, and also sites in being able to become very efficient and optimize their clinical trial services. Last year was quite tumultuous with what COVID brought to many of the research sites, and now organizations continuing to go through some retooling as to what that future will look like. So thankfully, a lot of great science was generated last year. New ideas on how to accomplish research goals were met. And I'm really hoping that as we look back to what we have accomplished, which was a great deal, we'll be able to leverage some of those learnings in making clinical trials even more efficient in the future. And that's where WCG comes in with many of the clinical trial solutions, from staff augmentation, assisting with financial services, looking at workflows, and just partnering to ensure that greatest success.
Well, we're lucky to have you with us to guide us through this difficult 2020 and 2021. I'm sure it's going to be equally complicated, maybe hopefully a little less traumatic, but there's a lot to do and a lot of new things to look at, a lot of new areas to focus on. We're lucky to have with us Sandy Smith, who's the Senior Vice President of Clinical Solutions and Strategic Planning with WCG. This has been ACRP's Expo TV. Sandy, again, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.